Hello, everyone. We are Vaultware, a company that develops products to store crypto assets in jewelry such as rings. Our concept is to preserve value and make encryption fashionable, and we develop and sell products based on this concept. In this video, we would like to introduce one of our products, Vault39. Vault39 is a product that encrypts the seed phrase of the user's crypto asset wallet, engraves the ciphertext on the inside of a ring, and stores the assets. By using Vault39, you can store crypto assets more securely than on analog media and enjoy them as a fashion item. When you launch the encryption application, first enter the seed phrase in the text area. For this example, we will input a seed phrase selected from the Byte39 list for testing. Next, enter the password required for decryption. This password should be freely set by the user with at least 8 characters in base 58. When you press the encryption button, the seed phrase will be encrypted as a 44-character random string. Send this string to the manufacturer to have it engraved on the ring. When the ring is completed, launch the decryption application and enter the string engraved on the inside of the ring. Enter the password and press the decrypt button to decrypt the seed phrase. By entering this seed phrase into the wallet application, you can restore your crypto assets. If you enter a 24-word seed phrase in the text area, a 66-character ciphertext will be generated. And if the engraved characters become too small on the inside of the ring due to the length, it is possible to engrave some of the characters on the front side. As a precaution, please run the application in an offline environment when encrypting and decrypting seed phrases. Also, if the ring is lost, the encrypted seed phrase cannot be decrypted, so please prepare a backup and promptly move assets in case the ring is lost. Thank you for watching. We hope you continue to enjoy a safe and comfortable crypto life. See you.